Paloma tankless water heaters use error codes to communicate specific issues, making diagnosis and troubleshooting much more efficient. These codes appear directly on the unit's controller display, providing immediate feedback about the system's status and any problems that need attention. Ignoring these error codes can lead to further damage or complete system failure, making it crucial to understand what each code means for maintaining optimal performance. Let's examine some of the most common error codes you'll encounter with Paloma tankless water heaters. Code 00 indicates the unit has shut down after 1 hour of continuous use. This is normal operation for certain models and simply requires turning off the hot water faucet to restart. Code 05 signals imperfect combustion, which may indicate inadequate ventilation or a blocked vent system. This requires immediate attention to prevent carbon monoxide issues. Code 11 means no ignition. The unit cannot light the flame. This typically involves checking the gas supply, ensuring proper gas pressure, and verifying the igniter is functioning correctly. Understanding these error codes allows for timely intervention, potentially saving significant repair costs and ensuring your continuous hot water supply remains uninterrupted. Modern Paloma models may have upgraded diagnostic systems, but the fundamental purpose of error codes remains the same, providing clear communication between your water heater and you. When your Paloma tankless water heater displays an error code, the first step is always to consult your user manual for specific troubleshooting guidance. Let's examine 2 common error codes and their solutions. Code 05 indicates imperfect combustion, while code 11 means no ignition is occurring. For code 11, no ignition, you need to verify the gas supply is turned on, check the igniter functionality, and inspect the flame sensor for proper operation. Regular maintenance is essential for preventing error codes. Clean your incoming water filter and air intake filter monthly to ensure optimal performance. Maintain a minimum incoming water pressure of 40 psi for optimal performance. Use a pressure gauge to verify your system meets this requirement. For complex issues or persistent error codes, always contact a registered gas installer. Professional expertise ensures safe and proper repairs. With proper maintenance and care, your Paloma tankless water heater can provide reliable service for up to 20 years, making it a valuable long-term investment.